is a quick intro to the vlog. The first little segment, it only goes for like 40 seconds. It's of George's first laugh. I caught it on camera, so I wanted to vlog that milestone for, you know, keepsakes. And then, yeah, I'll show you that now. Yes, you are. Boo. Boo. Yes, you are. What's you doing? Boo. Hi. Get your hand out of it. That was the cutest thing I've ever seen. Lana was really difficult to try and get her to crack up laughing, so to capture George's little giggles is so cute. But yeah, we spent Australia Day at the beach. We just took advantage of the public holiday and spent it with family. Yeah, enjoyed a day in the sun and the beach. It was hot. It's a hot day at the beach, but we really loved hanging out with everybody. And yeah, that's it. That's all this vlog is. It's just our day at the beach. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah, I'll show you that now. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sweating. We're going to the beach. Lana said we're going to the beach. It is, well, it's Australia Day. We're not celebrating Australia Day. We are just taking advantage of this time to spend time with family. Hey, babe.
Correct.
It is like 8:45 in the morning and we're off to Bribie Island. Are you ready to go to the beach? Yeah, let's go to the beach. Come on, Dad, we're sweating. Oh no, Dad, let's go to the beach. He's so happy. He's so happy. Yeah, we're going to the beach. Say hi. Say hi. Come on, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. All right, let's go. Hi. Can you say hi? We are at Bribie Island. George's first swim. Let's go. I like these meals. These are yum. Hi. Say hi. Hey, pretty girl. Come on. You got this. You can do it. Oh, you scared me. I thought you were going to jump. Wave out. Oh, over here. That's it, everybody. That's all I'm vlogging this time. So I love you all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to bed. Good night.